I just upload this video, so go and check it out. I fold into two. This into two. I will fold again to give me into 4 and bring it this way. I will leave 2 inches on the back for zip. I will mark 2 inches on the back for zip. Like this. And place this on top where I mark. Just like this. Just like this. And the length here is 24 inches. I have 24 inches. I will sew with 1/2 inch on the waist and 1/2 inch on the down part. I'm going to make pleat on the down part. I'm going to make either pleat or gather on the down part. I'm going to use this one to make pleat. Waist is 36 inches divided by 4 is 9 inches, which is here, and I will add 2 inches to sew. Placing my tape on top here, I will measure from waist down here 11.5 inches, which is hip. Hip is 56 inches divided by 4 is 14 inches. I have 14 inches here, 14 inches. I will use 2 inches, the remaining 2 inches here to sew. So on the down part here, I will measure 48 inches divided by 4 is 12 inches, which is here, plus 2 inches to sew. I'm going to cut here. I will notch here the back and the front, also with here the back and the front, like that. This is the down part and this is the waist. So I'm going to pleat this one on the down part here. I measure this one 10.5 inches, then I will use 1/2 inch to hem on the bottom. So I'm going to start to sew now. What I'm going to do is to sew here. I will leave 4 inches without sewing 4 inches on the back for zip. Then I will sew after 4 inches up to this place. After sewing, I will join the two sides. I will join the two sides, the back and the front together before sewing this pleat on the down parts. This is the lining for the down parts. I'm going to sew here down and leave 5 inches here before I sew down, and I will sew here on the waist and hem the bottom. I'm done sewing the side and I sew lining inside. This is the lining. So after sewing this, the back and the two sides, and I sew the one to make pleat on the down part. I hem with 1/2 inch here. So I'm going to sew. This is the side and this side. I will place the side together. I'll place together. This is the side and this is the side together this way, and I will sew pleat or kissy pleat round. When I'm done doing that, I will start with this. I'm done sewing pleat on the down parts. This is the semi sewing. I'm going to sew the top now. This is how it looks like after making pleats on the down parts.